I feel the drops of rain. I feel the drops of rain pounding at my window pane. The covered clouds remind me to where I yearn to be with you once again. But we live in separate lives and you're so very far away. So very far from my heart. My soul now seems to be led astray. Now I gaze onto the rain-drenched streets, trying to deny that I feel the pain. The pain of a romance lost. My eyes swell with tears just like the rain. If only you could come to see all that I seem to know. The clouds could break to reveal the sun. We could really be together as one. But for now, the cloud seems to rain. My heart now drowning for you to be. If you could free yourself to uncover my hearts, the rain would clear. There then would be a you and me. For you, Steve, with all my love, Rick.